So today we're going to start the discussion of this paper. Prepare with that. Yeah, so just a moment. So here we are starting with this. The first question is the price of an apple is 60 rupees. Find the price of 6 apples. So 60, find the price of 6 apples, right? So one apple is 60. They're asking us the price of 6. So 60 times 6 is going to be the answer. So 6 times 6 is 36. The additional 0, you're adding it here. So 60 times 6 is almost 360. But if you write the answer as 360, it is wrong because you have to add rupees as well. Okay, so it has to be rupees 360. Right, to circular objects, you can use to draw a circle. To draw a circle, you can use a bangle. You can use a bangle, you can use a ring. So whatever has a circular surface, you can use it to draw a circle. Next one, find the value 24 multiplied by 100. It is very easy to multiply by the numbers which has 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, because what you have to do is you have to add these zeros in the end. So 24 double 0, 24 double 0 is the answer. Next one is 25,600 divided by 10. When you're dividing this, you have to, I will write this exact thing here, 25,600. You have to divide by 10, right? So what you have to do is just take away 1 0 at the end. So this is 2,560. 2,560. So here we can just keep the number because it's not rupees, it's not any other, it's just the number. So we can just keep the number. But in case if it is something like this, if it is rupees, we have to always write the rupees or else the answer is wrong. Always, whatever the unit it is, it could be rupees, kilometers, meters, whatever it is, you have to make sure that you are adding the unit of it. The next one is write the date today in the standard format. Today. So today is 16th. So today is 16th, 4th month, April 16th. Right? So the standard format of writing a date is DD MM YYYY, which means date, month, year. So the date is 16th, month is 4, year is 2024. Write two additive bonds of number 7. Okay, so this additive bonds. Additive bonds means something like this. If you have the number 7 here, if you have one number here, if you have one number here, these two numbers together should form the number 7. For an example, 4 plus 3. 4 and 3 form a 7. 1 and 6 form 7. 2 and 5 form 7. So it is additive, addition. It is all about the addition. 3 and 4. So all of these are additive bonds. So you can write one example, 4 and 3. Next one is write a point on the circle. On. So this is the circle, and on the circle means something on that. So it is B. Because if you see it clearly, you could see that B is on the circle. So B has to be here. Write a point inside the circle. So this is the circle. So around this is the circle actually. So this is inside the circle. So that is C. Fill in the blanks. The other hand of a clock rotates how many times, how many rounds a day? So we have this hour hand. Okay, this hour hand, if it rotates from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. 12 a.m. means midnight 12. 12 p.m. means noon 12. Noon 12. Okay. So if it rotates from midnight 12 to afternoon 12, the half of the day is done. Okay. Half day. So if it rotates from this 12 to again 12, half of the day is done. So for the whole day, this has to rotate, the shorthand has to rotate twice. So the hour hand of a clock rotates 2 rounds a day. If it rotates 1 round, it is from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. Again from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. another round. This is one round. This is another round, second round. So the hour hand of a clock rotates 2 rounds a day. Write the following number in standard method using digits 12,050,000. So we have to first make the periods of the numbers. I will take all these away, just leaving the answer out there. Okay, so 12,050,000. So we have to make the periods first. Ones, thousands. Sorry, this is not ones, this is units. Units, thousands, millions, billions. So all these have three digits. Each and every period has 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So this is 12 million, right? So for the million side, it has to be 12 million and 50. So 50 comes here. 50 is 50. So all the others are zeros. So 12,050,000 means 12 3 zeros 1050. Not 10, just a 0. Okay. So 3125 represent the number in the abacus. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You have to label it that way. After that, 1, 2, 3. Here 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2728, 2728. What is the place value of the underlying digit? So the place values, I'm going to write all the place values. So the place value is the 8th place value is just 1. This 2's place value is 10. This 7's place value is 100. This 2's place value is 1000. Okay, so the 7's place value is, because 7 was underlined actually, because I used the ink here, it was hidden. So the place value of the underlined 7 is 100. Next one is, what is the least number of time that you should find? You should fold a circle to find the center. If you want to find the center of a circle, you have to fold it this way and this way. Then you can find the center. So what is the least number of times that you have to find a circle to find the center? It is 2. Fill in the blanks. Seconds, minutes. Okay. Seconds, minutes, minutes. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So here 2 minutes, no? 2 minutes means 60 plus 60, 120 seconds. Hours, days. Let's try that also. Okay, here we have hours. Here we have days. 1 day means 24 hours. So they are asking us 3 days. 2 days means 24 plus 24 is 48. 3 days means 24 plus 24 plus 24. 24 3 times. 24 plus 24 plus 24. Okay. Uh, so 24 and 24 means 48. 48 and 24. 8 plus 4 is 12. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. So why did I write like this? To make sure that you can understand, okay? For me, I could just multiply 24 by 3 in my memory. I will explain it to you also how to multiply 24 by 3. 24 by 3 from memory. But if you understand it, take it, or else you can just leave it as well. Nothing to worry about it. Okay, so what you have to do is 20 times 3 and 4 times 3. Both you have to add. 20 times 3 is 60. 4 times 3 is 12. Both together is 72. So that's how you have to, when you are using mental method to multiply, this is how you are using it. 20 times 3, add 4 times 3. So 20 times 3 is 60. Add 4 times 3 is 12. Then 60 plus 12 is 72. So the answer here is 72 hours, 3 days. Then the next one is 24 books can take place in one box. How many boxes are needed to pack 312 books? So 24 books. 24 books can be kept in one box. So they are asking how many boxes are needed to pack 312 books. So what you have to do is 312 you have to divide by 24. How to divide? First divide it by 2, then that is 12 here, and here you have 106. Here it's 6, here it is 53. Okay, so altogether you are getting here 1, here 13. So you need 13 boxes. So avoid all these, here 12, here you can divide this and see if you don't understand this method, okay? So here something I have used an easy method. So if you don't understand that, you can use your own method. No worries. So I will still use that method for you and show you. 312 dividing by 24. So here when we are dividing, we are using the same number which can be used to divide both. So 24 can be divided by 2, then it is 12. 312 can be divided by 2, so it is 3 times 1, and here 11. 11 means 5 times 2 is 11, and here 1 is remaining, so it is 6. 2 times 6, here 78, here 3, here 28, 2 times 3, 2 times 3, and it goes ahead. Here 36, so 3 times 1 and 13. Even I was confused, and previously when I was writing, I had written 106 out there. So don't worry about this if you don't understand this method as to how to use factors and divide. We will be learning that one so soon. So if you don't understand that, don't worry. I just use this method to show you, but even in the middle, I was a bit confused. I was slowed down, but still we can get the exact answer as 13 by using this method also. But if you don't know that method, just take it easy. It's not a problem at all. Next one, there are 420 students in grade 6. 178 of them are girls. Find the number of boys in grade 6. So 420 students are there. From that, 178 of them are girls. Okay, so the rest has to be the boys. Yeah, because all the students are either girls or boys. No? So there are 420 children. From that, 178 are girls. So that the rest has to be boys. So boys has to be 420 minus 178. So just subtract and see that. That's it. 420 minus 178. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 242. Write this as per 24-hour clock PM. Always when there is a PM, you have to add a 12. Keep that in mind. If there is AM, you have to add as it is. Nothing to change. So 2:45 PM means 2:45 plus 12. So it is 14:45. So always you have to add this double dot, and the number should be two numbers. So if it is just 4, you have to add 04 like that. So AM, so you have to just write as it is 10, 15. The difference is you have to add two dots. That's all. Okay. So we are moving on to the 16th question. Write the smallest and the largest number with 4 digits that you can write by using the digits 1, 2, 3, and 9 only once. So the smallest number is 1 is small, then 2, then 3, then 9. So this is the smallest number you can write. The largest number is the exact opposite. So you can write 9, 3, 2, 1. Write 110 minutes using hours and minutes. 110 minutes. Right? So we almost know that 1 hour has 60 minutes, right? Yes. So from this one we are subtracting 60 because we have to categorize it into hours and minutes. So we are subtracting 60, then we have a 50. So the subtracted 60 means we have subtracted 1 hour. So this is 1 hour, right? So we are subtracting this. So this is the minutes. So this 1 hour, I can write it as this. 1 hour and 50 minutes. So here hours and minutes, right? So 1 hour, 50 minutes. 3, 485, 50. What is the zone that underline the number belong to? So this zone is unit zone. This zone is thousands zone. So that is thousands zone. What are the times that intermeridian is lie between? You can omit that question because we have not learned that one. You can leave that and move ahead. Okay. Uh, Now you can try the next question. Almost we have done many questions according to this method of the question number 20. We have done many questions about, sorry, uh, regarding the table. So this is an easy question. So you have to keep in mind if this sort of question also gets wrong, you have to be very careful in doing maths. Okay. So because we can't make silly mistakes. Now these are the type of questions that even a grade 2, grade 3 child might learn to do. I'm not saying, yes, not grade 2, grade 3, maybe grade 4, grade 5, grade 5 students. Yes, so you have to make sure these are not being mistaken. Okay, something 5 times is 40, so it is 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Next one is the part 2. So it says answer all the questions. Mark the center as O. So this one here center you have to mark it as O. Draw a symmetrical line. So any line that goes across the center is a symmetrical line. It can be here, here, this way, or this way, this way, that way. Anything which goes across the center is a symmetrical line. Draw a radius and name it. So the radius is from the center like this. So this is a radius. So two radius together is the diameter. So if it comes like this, here is also R. R plus R is a diameter. So this might be a diameter, but here this is a radius. This is the radius. So they are asking to draw radius and name it. So you have to draw radius and name it as R. You have to draw radius this way and name it as R. Measure and write the length of the radius. So keep your ruler and measure it and write. Mark the point P on the circle, Q outside the circle, R inside the circle. P on the circle, Q outside the circle, R in the circle. Next one, fill in the blanks with the magic. In this magic square, the addition of all the cages in every direction. So 9 plus 4 is 5. 5, wait, the addition of all the cages to every direction. To every direction, you have to write the addition. So 9 plus 4 is 5. 9 plus, sorry. 5 plus 4 is 9. So like that. So it goes like this, no? These two numbers added together to get this number. So like that, these two numbers added together to get this number. So it can be 2 and 3. So these two numbers added together to get this number. To get this number. So if you add 1, 9 plus 1 has to be a 10. But you can't add 1 because if you add that, these two numbers would not bring this answer. But you have to think and do it. Leave that for the moment because it's a bit complicated for you. But I will just give you a clue. The clue is if you add these two numbers in this direction, this answer will be got. For an example, 5 plus 4 is 9. To get this number, you have to add these two. So that is the clue. If you can try it off and send it to me separately, I will check. Next one is fill in the blanks. Okay. So here, as you can see, 3 minus something is 4. So it has to be a 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. Then here it is a 3. We are taking 1 here. 13 minus 4 is a 9. Okay. Now we have got these two answers, 49 and 94. We want to get what this blank is. So 49 and 94, just add both together. Then you will get this whole answer. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 4, 14. So 1, 4, 3. Here, these two. We have some blanks out there. So something subtracted 9 is 7. So it has to be 6 here. Then it is a 16 subtracted 9 is 7. Then here some number is there. Some number subtracted take away 3 is 5. So it has to be 11. Okay. 11 here. Wait. It has to be 11 here. But already 1 was taken away, so that it has to be a 2 here. So 11 take away 3 is 8. So then here it is 8. 8 take away something is, oh, I'm sorry. This is about the addition. 9 plus 7 is 16. 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 1, 12. So previously I was mistaken. So that's why I wrote the answer. Now we can check. 9 plus something has to be a 17. So it is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. We have written a 7 here, 1 remaining. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 3 is 12. So altogether, check this one. If it is correct, you are in a good state. Okay. Next one is the charges for an advertisement is given below. First 10 words 8, second 10 words 10 rupees, third 10 words 15 rupees per word. Find the price for an advertisement with 28 words. So in this 28 words, first 10 words. This one will be charged 8 rupees. The next 10 words, this one will be charged 10 rupees. Third 10 words. But here there are no 10 words, no? Oh, sorry. Per word, per word. Then 8. See, this is an IQ question, okay? So the first 10 words, 8 rupees per word. So 10 words are there, 8 rupees per word being charged. So the charge is 80 rupees. So the next 10 words, per word 10 rupees will be charged. So here 100 rupees are charged. Okay, so the next one is there are 8 words. Per word they are charging 15 rupees. Per word they are charging 15 rupees. So 15 times 8 is the charge for that. So 15 times 8 is 120. So all these charges together you have to add 180 plus 120. 8 plus 2 is 10. Here 300. Okay, this is an IQ question. Even if you don't understand this, you can leave it because that is an IQ question. Next one is separate the number in zones.